Hello everybody! So this video is for our Puffy snowman craft, and so Miss Tess has a few things here. I have 4 buttons here. I also have this orange piece. I have 2 googly eyes, and then we have 2 of these pieces. And then you should have a piece of fabric. It might not look like Miss Tess's, but that's okay. And then I have this white cardstock paper, like poster board paper. It's shaped as a snowman. Okay, so then I have some other supplies here. I have a paintbrush. You don't necessarily need a paintbrush, but this might make things a little bit easier. I have foamy shaving cream, a bowl and a spoon, and I also have liquid glue, white liquid glue. And I have 1/4 cup of glue, but when you're measuring it, just make sure you're measuring half and half. So it's going to be half the amount of glue and the same amount of shaving cream, so half and half. So I'm going to take my 1/4 cup of glue real quick. I'm going to start by, you can pause the video, take some time to measure out some glue, and then go ahead and return when you're all ready. But I'm going to start pouring my glue into this bowl. Okay. And then I'm going to measure some shaving cream. Oh my gosh, hopefully that's okay. That's kind of hard to measure. And you can kind of work with it and, you know, add some more if you don't like the texture. It just needs to be a little bit puffy. Okay, so now that I got that in my bowl, I'm going to take my paintbrush. I'm just going to apply some to my snowman. I've actually never made this craft before. Mrs. Christensen said to not wipe it too much or it won't be super puffy. So we'll just apply little bits at a time. You just have so much fun with it, friends. You might get a little messy, so just warning you. I think once it dries, it gets a lot more puffy too, I think. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna add some right here. So remember not to wipe it too much, friends, just to be careful. Oh, jeez. Miss Tess is making a mess. Okay. It looks like I'm going to have a lot of extra, so you probably don't need 1/4 cup. Just wanted to let you guys know. Add some right there, and then I'll put my buttons on. I might have needed a little more shaving cream, but we'll see when it dries, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to start with my scarf, my snowman scarf. I think I'm going to push it right here, and then maybe fold it over, like that. Kind of looks cool. Okay, and then I'm going to apply his arms. Probably should have done that first, but it's okay. Okay, now the buttons. I think I'm gonna make a pattern. I have a big button, and then a small button, and then a big button, and then a small button. A little pattern. Okay, now his eyes. And then this piece for the nose. Yay! And then Miss Tess is just gonna let this dry for a little bit on my table here because he's really wet. But here is my snowman. And just remember, friends, not to wipe too much so that he's still kind of puffy. And I think I needed a little more shaving cream. I think I had too much glue, but he's still pretty puffy right here. So just work with it, friends, and then have fun with it. Okay? Thank you.